Hi everyone! Today we're sharing a simple hack for the Brise knit dress, which is one of our core fabrics patterns that you can download for free on our blog. Brise originally comes with short sleeves, but with warmer days ahead, we thought we'd show you how to turn it into a sleeveless dress by adding a bodice lining for a clean finish at the neckline and the armholes. For this version, we used a gorgeous bamboo cotton spandex jersey made in Canada and available in our shop with a wide range of colors. It has the perfect weight and drape for Brise, so if you want to recreate this look, be sure to check it out. Okay, let's get into it.
Step 1. Prep your pattern pieces. Print and cut out your main dress pattern, skipping the sleeves and the neckband. We won't need them. Take the front bodice piece and trace a new one onto blank paper, stopping at the sash notch. Decide how long you want the lining by measuring from under your arm down. I went with 6 inches, which is just above my waistline. Then bring the armhole in by 3/8 of an inch to make the lining slightly narrower than the main bodice piece. Mark and cut your new front lining piece at this length. Repeat the same process for the back bodice lining. Step 2. Assemble the lining and the bodice. Cut your fabric and prep the sash per the original tutorial. With right sides together, align the front lining and main bodice at the neckline and sew. Understitch the seam allowance to the lining. Then repeat for the back piece. Open up the lining and main bodice. Match the front and back at the shoulders. Sew both the main fabric and the lining together at the shoulder seams. Now for the magic trick, a clean armhole finish using the burrito method. Lay your dress flat and separate the front from the back so you can see one open armhole clearly. Separate the lining from the main fabric so the right side face up. Roll up the opposite side like a burrito so it doesn't get in the way. Match the armhole edges of the main fabric to the armhole edges of the lining, aligning the notches. Sew carefully, making sure not to catch the rolled up burrito inside. Then you're going to understitch as much as possible. Then pull the burrito out to reveal a beautifully finished armhole. Repeat for the other side. Step 4. Sew the side seams and finish the dress. With right sides together, align and sew the main pieces together and the lining pieces together at the side seams all the way down to the slit notch if you're making the long version, or to the hemline if you're making the short version. Give everything a good press, finish the hemline, and to keep the lining in place, you can tack it at the side seams. Then finish your slits and hemline as per the original instructions. And voila, your sleeveless Brise dress is ready to wear. If you tried this hack, please tag us. We'd love to see your make. Happy sewing!